Okay. Creative writing class. Today,
Yes.
we are going to talk about slogans. How many of you know what are slogans? Slogan क्या होता है? What are slogans? I will give you an example, okay? And you also tell me a few that you would know
Save
of.
water, put trees.
Green India, Green India.
What?
Green India, Green India.
Clean India, Green India. Yes, that is good. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. That is also one.
Stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe. Correct. Yes, very nice. Tanishka, do you know of any slogans?
Beti bachao, beti padhao.
Beti bachao, beti padhao. Super. Very nice. Pranav, do you know of any slogans?
Ma'am, in previous creativity now class, we have done some it song like a song rap.
Yes.
That
Yes.
is, I got a diamond ring.
Tanishka,
Ping, ping.
Tanishka, Tanishka, Tanishka. Yes, I know what happened in last class. Let's stay in this class. Okay. This class is about
Okay.
slogans. Pranav, do you know of any slogans? Pranav screen is frozen. Subhan screen is frozen. Subhan वहाँ पे है भी कि नहीं वो भी मुझे पता नहीं है. Okay. Can you tell me some more slogans? मुझे और 2-3 slogans सुनने हैं. Vihan, any other slogans that come to your mind?
I know it in Marathi.
Tell me. Language no bar, anything.
Zhade lawa, zhade bachwa.
झाड़े लावा झाड़े वाचवा. Very good, very good. Nice. और कुछ? Ranveer, anything else?
Save trees, save life.
Save trees, save life. Good, good. Pranav, can you come up with some slogans? Have you heard of some slogans? Vihan, any more that you can think of?
I don't know.
You know. You just have to think. Think of slogans that you see when you go out, when you go for a drive, or in front of any shop in a mall, or in front of temples, or behind the vehicles. Yes, Ranveer, tell me.
मैम स्वच्छ भारत तो आप स्वच्छ.
What?
स्वच्छ भारत तो आप स्वच्छ.
स्वस्थ भारत तो आप स्वस्थ. ऐसा स्लोगन है क्या कहीं पे?
सचिन.
Okay.
Something like that.
Okay. Tanishka, anything else that comes to your mind? Tanishka, why have you put off your screen? Where have you gone? Pranav is back. Poor Pranav is having too many network issues today.
Now you have to share with Tanika laptop.
Vihan, do you know of any other?
Sachin.
Sachin. Hey, that's just one name.
Save water, save water, save life.
Yes, save water, save life. That's nice. ये सुना है cleanliness is next to godliness. Yes, cleanliness is next to godliness. ये सुना है. Anything else? Subhan, finally your screen is moving. So बताओ, tell me some slogans. Vihan, don't bite your nails. Chichi, no biting nails.
Ma'am, practice every day. On the final day, perform good.
Practice every day and?
Ma'am, Swachh Abhiyan, Swachh Bharat, Swachh Abhiyan.
Swachh Bharat, Swachh Abhiyan. Okay, good.
Ma'am, can I say?
Of course, I'm waiting to hear from you only.
Ma'am,
वाह सुभान, ये तुम बोल रहे हो या कोयल? सुभान बोलो. Subhan, I can't hear you. I was waiting to hear only from you. प्रणव, तुम्हें कुछ आता है slogans? प्रणव. प्रणव.
Ma'am, सावधान पुणे धोका आहे.
Kanishka, why did you leave the class and go? I have told you that before you leave the class, you will take permission, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why
I
did you
was
leave
not
the class
leaving
and
the
go?
meeting.
Why did you leave the class and go? I don't want you all to go and ask around in the house and come back just because you're in the house. You need to think this is your class. Do you understand, Tanishka? अगर घर वालों के पूछ के आना है तो फिर क्लास में क्यों बैठे हैं? You can always ask them, but after class. When you're in class, you will discuss as you are in class. Okay? And before leaving class, you will take permission. What you did right now, this is the second time you're doing it. Correct? You will not do this another time. Okay? No switching off video and mute and walking off. No, no doing that another time. Today is the last time you're doing it. Okay? So, another slogan, Tanishka. You said something just now. प्रणव, slogans नहीं पता?
नहीं, एक ही पता है मैम, मीनिंग नहीं पता.
तुम slogan तो बोलो.
Tree greenery.
मैंने कहा पता है वो.
बोलो.
Stop pollution is the best solution.
Subhan, what did you say? Stop pollution?
It's the best solution.
Stop pollution, it's the best solution. क्या बात है. वाह 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 वाह. सही सही. Very nice. रणवीर, come up with some more. विहान, इतना सारा टीवी देखते रहते हो तुम लोग दिन भर, कुछ तो पता होगा.
Tree greenery.
What, Vihan? I
No.
didn't understand what you said. Repeat that.
भारत माता की जय.
भारत माता की जय. Oh wow.
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay. That is a drive. Slogans. Usually तुम लोग क्या देखते हो? Slogans में क्या similarity है? वो जो words use करते हैं, the sentences you make. What are those sentences? And
एक बूंद से सागर.
But I don't know meaning.
एक बूंद से सागर बनता है.
yes, Subhan, that's nice. Boon boon sagar banta hai. That is very nice. Very nice. Yes, Pranav, you want to say something? Everybody, wait. Pranav's turn. Everybody, wait. Pranav's turn. हाँ.
सुंदरता की नई पहचान.
सुंदरता की नई पहचान. क्या? Lux. Yes, Ranveer, बोलो.
Save garbage, save food.
Save garbage.
Save garbage, save sea.
Save the garbage, save the sea. Garbage save करेंगे तो हम फिर कचरा डालेंगे कहाँ पे? It would be recycle and save the sea or something similar.
Recycle and reduce.
Recycle, redo, yes. Okay. Now Padma teacher has given me one video that she has asked me to show it to you all. Okay. I'm going to play that for you now. And after that, you are going to get a chance to make your own slogan on any topic that you want. Okay. You understood what is the meaning of slogans, right? Yes, bolo.
Rise above the rest, be the best.
Drive above the rest, be the best. Is that what you said?
No. rise above the rest and be the best.
Rise above the rest and be the best. हे वाह 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 वाह, बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशनल है ये. सुभान, तुम बैठोगे क्या प्लीज?
Can we say thought?
Can we say what? बोलो, you have something that you want to share?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो बोलो.
Wait, ma'am, don't sit like work like a clock.
Don't sit what?
Ma'am, don't sit like a rock, but work like a clock.
Don't sit like a rock. Work like a.
But work like a clock.
But work like a clock. Wow. Don't sit like a rock, but work like a clock. सही है. Very nice. This is very nice. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to show you all one video. Okay. All right. Are we ready to see the video? Padma teacher has asked me to share this with you all. Okay. Watch this video, and then you are going to come up with your own slogan. Okay. Yes, Ranveer, bolo.
Ma'am, there is some slogan even about Hitler.
Yes, what is it?
There was something like in the rest, die like the rest.
Pata nahi. I have not heard that. So sorry. Okay. Shall we see this video now? Yeah, shall we see the video now? Can you all see it?
Safety slogan.
Okay. All. I'm going to keep you guys on mute now. So there's no background noise disturbance in the class and you all can just focus on the video. Okay, ready? Chalo.
Ma'am, it is on pause.
No, it's playing.
I can't see it playing.
Okay, let me just start it again. Okay, were you all able to see it?
No, ma'am, it was just still over there. You can see it.
Okay, let me just start it again. I don't think it has an audio to it. Okay, everybody can see it. Give me a thumbs up. All right, here you go.
I
I can't see
the screen.
I can see it.
Can you see it now, Tanishka? Okay, cool.
Ma'am, but it is not playing.
We
It
can't
is not.
hear anything.
I told you there is no audio in it. I told you इसमें अरे लिखा है, you just have to read it. Go about reading it. वीडियो क्यों चाहिए? वीडियो चल रहा है, ऑडियो नहीं चाहिए. Just read it.
No, safety.
Okay, did you all see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody saw that? Okay. Did you catch it? Did you read it? Or was it going too fast for you?
We read it.
काम क्या करते हो तुम? जी मेरी
Yes, it was fine.
दर्जी
One minute. 1 minute.
प्रोफेशनल से होगी.
Be aware, take care.
Oh, where's the noise coming from?
Okay, sorry. So y'all could see it, y'all understood what it was? They were called safety slogans. Did you understand? All those slogans had something or the other to say about safety. Everything, the message was be safe, right?
I think but I will not join today.
Did you understand the meanings of the slogans that were put up over there? Yes, was it easy to understand? Can you tell me 4 or 5 highlights of what did the slogans have in general? Like the words that they used, were they rhyming? Were they having similar meaning? Ranveer, Pranav, what do you have to say about it?
And they had similar meanings and they were rhyming.
Okay,
It all rhyming words.
okay. What else?
Those slogans,
And all slogans was meant for safety only.
Safety only.
The entire set of slogans were for safety only, no issues. But what are the things that you saw in common? I would say that some of them had some rhyming words. Then I would say that because it was to do with safety, the words around safety were definitely used. Stay safe, take care, safety. These words were specifically used. What else was there? What else do you think were there?
stay home, be safe, your family needs you.
Stay home, be safe, your family needs you. Okay.
Stay safe, be safe.
Take care, be safe. Okay. What all are doing is giving me safety slogans. You all are giving me safety slogans. What I am asking you that what are the things that you notice in these kind of slogans? Slogans में usually क्या-क्या होता है? I will just express it to you. कि हमें किसी एक topic का slogan बनाना है, तो we have to first understand the topic. Okay? Suppose it is about a car. Okay? If a slogan is about the car. So first thing that you would do is car के जो highlights हैं, उसको हम पहले put up करेंगे. Right? Suppose the slogan is around greenery around. Huh? So we will talk about the word green in the slogan. Okay. Now I am going to give you one topic and you are going to write a slogan around that topic. Are you ready for it? And I want to first see how you do it and then I will tell you कि ये कितना correct है, कितना नहीं है. Okay? All right. The topic for you is laptop. The topic for you is laptop. Now write a slogan around a laptop. You have been given a laptop and you have to write a slogan around the laptop. Vihan, can you sit down and write a slogan, please? The word is laptop. Now let's see how you make a slogan around it. Think. You have another 1 minute to think. I'm giving you thinking time of another 1 minute.
Oh, laptop is a electronic device. Shirts, light circuit, matches. Done number 2.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. Pranav, done?
I'm done last time writing.
Oh, you're writing more than one. Cool. Not bad. Nice. Right. Vihan, have you finished writing?
Yes.
Okay. Come back and read your slogan to me, please. Vihan, Saxena, come back and read your slogan to me, please.
A laptop is an electronic device. It can
Laptop
show,
is what?
that can show live cricket matches.
Vihan, I didn't catch what you exactly said, Baba. Can you please repeat what you said?
I
Sit
take
down and read slowly. Sit down and read slowly.
laptop slogan. A laptop is an electronic device that can show live cricket matches.
You have described a laptop. I told you to write a slogan
No,
for a laptop.
I said I will read.
Vihan, I want you to write a slogan. Slogan is a one-liner, like a punchline. So you have to write a slogan for a laptop.
That's it.
That's not right, Vihan. You cannot say I will not do it.
Oh,
You're going to say I will try to do it. You want to drink water and then do it, you do that. But you are supposed to attempt to write a slogan. What you have written is not slogan. What you have written is description about the laptop. Have the others also done the same, or you've written a slogan? Ranveer, you finish first. Would you like to read out what you've said? What you've written?
I have written 3.
Tell me.
Who have technology in their hand, they use a laptop. You put it on your lap, you will be on the top. You are on top. A laptop is an electronic device. Damn it! Look!
Vihan, 1 minute. Somebody else is talking. Wait, let them finish their turn. Wait. Ranveer, please repeat what you said.
All over again.
Yeah, can you read the first one as well?
Who have technology in their hand, they use a laptop. You put it on your lap, you will be on the top.
Okay.
You are on the top. You use a laptop.
Read the last one.
You are on the top, they use the laptop.
Arre, nice. That was really good. I didn't expect it to be that good. That's nice. Pranav, can I hear yours? Pranav, can I hear yours? Hello? Pranav, are you there? Okay, I can't hear him. Tanishka?
Ma'am, can I take a break, please?
Yes, please. Yes, you can take your break, Rihan. Tanishka, I want to hear you.
Save laptop. Work hard.
Sorry. What did you say? Save laptop.
Work hard.
Laptop बचाओ. लैपटॉप को तो कोई कर नहीं रहा वैसे भी कुछ भी. So लैपटॉप बचाओ कुछ सही नहीं लग रहा है. Save laptop is not sounding correct. Why do you say save trees? You say save trees because people are cutting trees. Okay, that's why you say save trees. Okay. So जहाँ पे किसी चीज को खराब कर रहे हैं या destroy कर रहे हैं, then you say save trees or save water and things like that. You're not destroying laptop. So save laptop is not the right one to say.
Okay. Take
Can you
laptop. Work
change it
hard.
to something else?
Take laptop. Work hard.
Take laptop, work hard. Work hard is good. Put a different verb. Different action.
Okay, I will say
laptop.
take laptop and save your life.
How is laptop going to save your life?
Mom, because we do in a job. In job there is a laptop.
You do a lot of work on laptop, but how is that going to save life? See, work hard. वो सही लग रहा है. Okay. जो first part है तुम्हारा वो कुछ मजा नहीं आया. उसका कुछ और बनाओ. Yes, Pranav. What is it with you? What have you written? अरे प्रणव ही चला गया. Oh dear. Tanishka, change the first part of it. Save laptop is not correct. Write something else. Something like care for your laptop and work hard, or something like don't mute yourself. I'm talking to you. Don't do that. Okay. Or something like design a laptop and work hard. कुछ और word use
Care
करो.
your-
First part में कुछ अलग
Care
use
your
करो.
laptop and work hard.
I gave that. You think of something else. Think something different. Think creative. Yes, Ranveer, what did you want to say?
I wanted to say that take a laptop and work hard. I was going to say that, and but you said it.
No. That's not sounding too great. Okay, Tanishka, I want you to please just rewrite the first part, come up with something really interesting, okay? And send me a picture of what you've written. Can you do that? Ranveer, please send me a picture of what you have written, okay? Pranav is in, and I would like to ask Pranav what he has done. Okay, the others, you all can go on your snack break. Go wash your hands, wash your face, take a snack break. Physics teacher will join you after your snack break. Yes, Pranav, can I hear yours? What have you written? नहीं लिखा कुछ भी? Sorry, what did you say? Pranav, I didn't understand what you said. Were you not able to understand how to do it? Okay, fine. No worries, Pranav. I will call you later and I will discuss with you, okay? Pranav, I'll call you later and I'll discuss with you on how to go about it. I know you can do it and I'll help you. Okay? So on that note, everybody take your snack break now.